In this video, we're going to learn how to add contacts to an ActiveCampaign list. If you are trying to find a way to add contacts manually on ActiveCampaign's list, then here's how you can do it. Simply go ahead and open up your web browser. Also make sure to type in the URL activecampaign.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account like you normally do. And after you're logged in, from the left-hand side menu of the screen, go ahead and click on Contact. Now, from the left-hand side, click on the List option, and you can open up an existing list to add contacts in it, or if you want to create a new list, click on Add a List and follow the prompt. Here I'm going to open up an existing list over here. After you open up a list, to add contacts, tap on the Add a Contact button at the top right. Now enter the first name, last name, email address, phone number, and the account type for the contact you'd want to add. Here I'm going to type in all of the necessary information and come back to you. After filling in all of the details, click on Add. Now you can take contact actions. You can add the contact to the list, to a deal, tags, or advanced list options. You can add the contact to the preferred list. Simply go ahead and pan the Add to List menu. Select the list where you'd like to add the person, and then where it says Add a Deal, you can add a new deal. You can also add tags. Enter the tag name and click on Apply, and you'll be able to add the contact on a list. That is how you can easily add a contact on a list on ActiveCampaign. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.